Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Squarespace templates for affiliate marketing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a Squarespace template that aligns with your niche and target audience. Explore the features and customization options available in that template. Pay attention to the layout, colors, and typography, ensuring they resonate with your brand. Next, navigate to the design panel in Squarespace. Adjust the color scheme to match your brand colors. Select fonts that are easy to read and appropriate for your audience. Now, focus on your site's navigation to simplify the user experience. Create clear menus that guide visitors to your affiliate products effortlessly. Add a homepage that highlights your key offerings and affiliate links. Use compelling images and engaging copy to draw attention to these links. Incorporate call-to-action buttons that encourage clicks on your affiliate items. Ensure these buttons are visually distinct and placed strategically. Next, optimize your content for search engines. Conduct keyword research relevant to your affiliate products. Include these keywords in your page titles, headings, and descriptions. Create blog posts or articles that provide value and include affiliate links naturally. Position links within well-crafted content to maintain trust with your audience. Regularly update and add fresh content to keep visitors engaged. This will also improve your site's SEO over time. Implement analytics tools to track user behavior on your site. Use this data to identify popular content and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider adding testimonials or reviews related to your affiliate products. This builds credibility and encourages conversions. Lastly, regularly test your site on mobile devices. Ensure your affiliate links work seamlessly across different platforms. By following these steps, you'll optimize your Squarespace template effectively for affiliate marketing. This will help you build a professional site that engages your audience and drives conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.